Sydney Tower, good morning, Qantas 7879.
Qantas 7879 Sydney Tower, good morning. Nice of you to join us.
Good to be here.
Qantas 7879, wind 240 degrees, 5 knots, runway 16 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 16 right, Qantas 7879.
Qantas 7879, you can vacate Alpha 3 or Alpha 4, that's Alpha, ground 126.5, have a good sleep.
Alpha 3 or 4, Alpha and 1265, Qantas 7879, thank you, will do.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Sydney ground, Qantas 7879.
Qantas 7879 Sydney ground, hold short, runway 25.
Hold short 25, Qantas 7879. Cross 25, Bay 3, Qantas 7879.
Flight Red Oscar, calling me 121 day 7.
Thank you, 117, Flight Red Oscar.